For decades, BINUS University has prepared Indonesian talent for global workforce. But feedback from our partners and alumni reveal a still gap, one that 76% of employers still face. Graduates need stronger digital skills and familiarity with business systems. So, we integrated SAP into our curriculum.
Students learn through SAP Learning Hub Student Edition combined with structured classroom training. They prepare for certifications aligned with SAP consultant and business analyst roles. Most importantly, they gain hands-on experience working with SAP applications and AI-enabled tools.
SAP Learning Hub Student Edition provides university students like BINUS with practical and hands-on SAP knowledge that are relevant for industries. This also provides the students with the strong technical foundations when they come and join companies like Accenture. Accenture also believes in collaboration between Accenture, industries, and academia to build strong pipeline. With this collaboration, we believe we can provide a better success for the students when they come and join the real world.
Even during placements, SAP track students stand out as better prepared. Thanks to the solution like the free SAP Learning Hub Student Edition, as Indonesia's economy becomes more digital, universities and industry must work together to build a strong talent pipeline.
At BINUS, students go beyond theory. They get hands-on experience with real SAP technology used by businesses worldwide. Through the SAP University Alliances, connecting over 2,800 institutions globally, SAP is brought directly into the classroom. This helps students to build practical, digital skills, achieve SAP certification, and become job-ready from day one. For employers and SAP partners, it means access to a strong pipeline of skilled, certified talent. Looking to hire? Connect with the Academic Partnerships team at SAP.